Chocolate. Brown Dream. Cacao was first cultivated and consumed by the Olmec civilization in Central America and later by the Mayans and Aztecs. In modern times, Spanish explorers introduced chocolate to Europe, where it quickly became popular. The largest producer of cocoa in the world is Ivory Coast, which produced approximately 2.2 million tons of cocoa in 2022. The global market value of this food item was about $26.7 billion in 2023 and is expected to reach $36.4 billion by 2032. With a per capita consumption of 8.8 kilos of chocolate per year, Switzerland has the highest consumption in the world and is renowned for its high-quality chocolate industry. About 39% of chocolate produced is consumed inside the country and 61% is exported. Annual income from chocolate production is approximately 1.5 billion francs, and the country produces about 180,000 tons of chocolate annually. In 2024, global chocolate consumption is expected to reach about 7.5 million tons per year, equivalent to a daily consumption of approximately 2,500 tons worldwide. Germany is the world's largest exporter of this edible product, accounting for 16.9% of the world's total chocolate exports in 2023, and its export value reaches $6.3 billion. There are three main types of chocolate: dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate, which contains no cocoa solids and is made primarily from cocoa butter, milk, and sugar. One of the most expensive chocolates in the world is La Madeleine aux Truffes, produced by Knipschild, which sells for about $250 each. In addition, Simon's jewelry brand Le Chocolat is known as the most expensive chocolate dessert in the world. This chocolate dessert is served in a golden bowl decorated with diamonds and with a 24-karat gold spoon.